Romero Brito is a Brazilian-born artist who lives in the United States. He was born in 1963 and moved to Miami, Florida when he was 25. When he first started making art, he couldn't afford art materials, so he painted on newspaper. At first, no galleries would show his work, so he boldly hung out on sidewalks and showed his work to people. Galleries very quickly became interested in his work, and he started showing his work in galleries and very quickly became popular. He is now famous across the globe and is the most licensed artist in the history of the world. A license is when you have a paid contract that allows a company to use an image that you have created. Disney, Coca-Cola, Samsung, Mattel, and Chiquita are just some companies that Brito has produced artwork for. He has also created art for the Super Bowl, the World Cup, and the Olympics. He's created artwork for A-list celebrities and world leaders such as King Charles, Leonardo DiCaprio, the Pope, Elton John, and Michael Jackson. And he's designed public sculptures and murals that are on display all over the world. This guy has literally created thousands of works of art. He has dozens of employees working for him to help him create and distribute his work. Brito's style is joyful and simple. He uses a cubist style, which breaks shapes up into fragments or facets. His work can also be considered a type of pop art because he uses bold colors and simple patterns to capture ordinary subject matter from daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.